Looking for a reliable, well-maintained vehicle? Check out this 2013 Toyota Prius 2. With low miles for its age, this one-owner car has spent its entire life in Georgia. It comes with a complete dealer service history and recent maintenance valued at over $1,250, including spark plugs, sway bar links, brake pads and rotors, air filters, tire pressure sensors, and more. Plus, it has up-to-date emissions and includes the original owner's books. This vehicle is a dealer-certified pre-owned unit, backed by a 3-month/3,000 mile quality plus warranty. And if that's not enough, you can also add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted rate when you buy, plus ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade option. Peace of mind is key when purchasing a car. We recommend a pre-purchase inspection, and please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status and warranty. So, don't wait. Contact us today to learn more about this Toyota Prius and how it can become a dependable part of your life.